How to install LiveChat on MIVA Merchant. Reach out to your on-site customers and offer help right when they need it. The LiveChat integration for MIVA Merchant by LiveChat opens up another means of communication with customers, giving them instant answers to any questions they might have. Follow the steps below to get LiveChat running on your MIVA Merchant website in just a few clicks. 1. First, sign into your MIVA admin panel. In the search tool at the top right corner, type in Global Footer. 2. To move on, select Footer when it pops up. Then, scroll down to the bottom of the Footer window. 3. Paste your LiveChat installation code at the bottom of the code box. To get your LiveChat code, go to Settings Installation Chat Widget section of your LiveChat account. 4. Click the update button to publish LiveChat on your website. Et voila! You can start closing more deals by providing your customers with the exceptional customer service.